Hi everyone, this is Ali from TechWrath TV. Today we are going to get a clip out of an audio file on Mac. The system that's been running is El Capitano. It's just 2-3 steps, very easy to do so. You don't need any specialized audio editing software. All you need is QuickTime Player that's already in Mac. So we'll begin the tutorial. I have a folder here called Music. We'll open it up. This is the audio file that we'll be actually editing and getting a clip, maybe 10-15 seconds clip out of it. So all you need to do is right click, open with QuickTime Player. So this is where we'll be listening to the audio. This is a beautiful song, by the way. Losing Grace by One Day. I'm mounting it. So as you can see, it's 5 minutes long. So if you want to make it a ringtone or you want to use it in one of your audios, you can do it. I'm just going to pause it right here. So for me, we'll get a 10 to 15 seconds clip out of it. All you need to do is, first step, press Command and then the letter T. T for Tetris, alright? So you click Command 3. It opens this trim bar here. So you can see you can get the clip that you want. So for example, if I want something to do from, starting from, let's say 30 seconds till 40 seconds. So if I want to hear what the clip sounds like, I'm just going to play. So you guys can see the red bar here. It's just going to play the clip that we've actually extracted out. Now, once you finalize your trim, you need to click this button called Trim. It's going to make an audio out of it. You can listen to the audio. This is 10 seconds. This is the 10 seconds of the audio that we actually have extracted. So you can listen to the audio as well. Now, how to save it? All you need to do is go to File, click Export, Audio Only, click that, find the location. In my case, it's automatically picked up the folder where the actual file is. So I'm going to do Trim Music. You don't need to write the extension. It's going to save as .mp3. All you need to do is click Save, and you can see another file has been made. You can close this one. You don't need to save the project. All you need to do is right click, play, QuickTime Player, play, and enjoy the 10-second clip that you just made. For more information, you can see the size is 300 KB. Right click, go to Get Info. You can bring to more information. It'll show you the sample rate is 48,000. The duration is 10 seconds, and 2 audio channels have been used. In general, this is how 300 KB and the time and the details that it can show. That's it for today. Hope this has been helpful for you. Keep tuning into TechWrath TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website www.techwrath.com.au. That's www.techwrath.com.au. And you can visit our blog, visit our YouTube channel for more information, more tutorials. We bring in new reviews about mobile apps, mobile games, different platform games, stuff like that. So it's heaps and heaps of fun information. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much.